Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. The presentations that have many pictures are too laggy for the computers that are not good, for example your school or your workspace, and I don't prefer them, but some kind of they are looking nice. Because of that we are going to create it. You see, it has a unique effect. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need the picture of the Roma that we created. You see, this presentation are some kind of laggy. I'm creating this video on a weak computer to give you some understanding why shouldn't we create something like this on presentation. Okay, let me just increase the size of this thing to the nice shape and start the video. Okay, it's good. Now we have our picture. Now what shall we do to create this presentation we have here? It's easy how we can create it. It's totally easy, but for the understanding, let's start it. At first, you see, because of that I hate this kind of presentation. But let's start. This is our picture, we have it. We cut the picture and format the background. Because of these things I hate summer, the hot thing, and you see we have a little problem. Why this is happening? Because when you use crop in this option, you didn't make the picture fit. You need to make the picture to fit to don't have the problems. Okay, we make it fit. Now we cut this picture and format the background and give it the picture. Okay, it's good. Now we need to insert some shapes. I choose this shape. Okay, it's good. After creating that, we need to copy it more times. How we copy that? We hold Control and just copy that easily. When you create a row, select Ctrl A to select all and copy it again. Okay, and another time you just simply repeat this process. Let me just fastly copy that. You see my copies are not too accurate because I'm not going to create an accurate thing, but if you want to look it great, you must create it accurate. Okay, it's good. Then we select all of them and choose them the background of the solid background and set the shape outline to none. Then we insert a rectangle and send it to back and make it color black. Okay, now we need to copy our text. The text we are going to use is using Overdrive Sunset. The summer weak computer without a fan is a disaster, and I hope you enjoy this disaster. Okay, I'm not going to delete these parts in the edits for you to better understand. Okay, this font I use Overdrive Sunset and nothing more special. We need to apply it to all. Okay, it's good. Now in the first slide we select all of them by Ctrl A and align them center, align them middle. Now we set the transition to morph. And you see everything is ready as the way you want. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.